Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about how to make money with memes. So first of all, what's the meaning of a meme? A meme is a picture of a reaction to a specific situation or an idea in a funny way with a humor sense. So in this video, we're going to talk about two parts. The first part of how to make money from memes, and the second part of how to generate your own memes. And now let's begin with the first part, and there are different ways to make money from memes. The first way is by working as a freelancer. So you can create your memes and sell them as a freelancer on some platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and so on. So if you have a look at Fiverr as one example of these platforms, here we'll find a lot of freelancers provide this service, as you see, and all those freelancers are doing well on that service. As you see, I will make funny memes for your social media. As you see, 5 stars, 4 stars, and so on. As you see, professional meme, awesome YouTube banner meme, and so on and so forth for this search term meme maker. Or another one for funny memes, you will find a lot of freelancers provide the service for making memes. Okay, as you see, I will professionally write funny memes for you. As you see, 61 requests and so on. Okay, so the first way to make money from memes is working as a freelancer. Second way is by using Instagram. Do you know one of the best fields and one of the greatest fields on Instagram to get more followers and get bigger is comedy and funny pages. So if we have a look at some pages like that, like this one, Meme Czar Instagram page is one of the largest funny pages on Instagram. As you see, with 23 million followers. As you see, it provides some memes with great engagement with likes and comments, as you see. Okay, or this page, Naughty World, 9 million followers. As you see, a lot of pictures, funny pictures and memes. Okay, or this one, Epic Funny page, 16 million followers. As you see, funny pictures. Or this one, the Troll in, 2 million followers. As you see, funny pictures and funny memes. Okay, so you have to create your Instagram page regarding memes and funny pictures, and when you post regularly and frequently, you will find your Instagram page grow bigger and faster and get more followers. And when the time comes up to use your Instagram page, you can promote some affiliate programs, some affiliate products through your Instagram page. Any affiliate program, like for well-being, wellness, healthy, how to be funny, how to deal with people around you, and something like that. Or you can promote some courses from Udemy or Skillshare and so on and so forth. Or if you have a great number of followers, so you can work as an influencer, shout out other people's products. So by using your Instagram page, your funny Instagram page, your meme Instagram page, you can work as an affiliate and an influencer. Okay, so the second way to make money from memes is by using your Instagram account. The third method to make money from memes is print on demand business. So if we have a look at Etsy.com as an excellent example of print on demand platforms, here you'll find a lot of products like t-shirt, stickers, shower curtain, mugs, some funny memes, as you see. So you can work as a print on demand designer on Redbubble, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, Teespring, and Etsy to start showing your designs print on a lot of products. Okay, as you see. The fourth way to make money from memes is you can use Imager.com. And for sure, Imager.com is the magic of internet to post your images. One of the best fields and niches work well on Imager.com is the funny pictures and funny memes, as you see. Okay, so you can use Imager.com as a channel to convert your audience to your Instagram, to YouTube, TikTok, and so on. Okay, you can affiliate your products and programs, as you see. Okay, the way number 5 is you can make a compilation of memes in your YouTube channel. So you can make YouTube channel based on making videos about memes, funny pictures, and something like that, and you can make a compilation of these pictures. And then now we have done all the part of how to make money from memes. So let's go together to the second part of how to create your own memes. For sure, you can get all these memes from Instagram pages, from other Facebook pages, and so on to create your posts on Instagram and TikTok and something like that. Or if you want to make your own and creative memes, so I would recommend you this amazing website that's called simplified.com. Simplified.com is a Canva alternative where you can make your copies, your marketing copies, and make your social posts for Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and something like that in the same place. Copies and your posts in the same place. And here you will find an amazing meme generator, creative meme generator. So first of all, you have to sign up here for free. Okay, get started for free. And after making a free account here on simplified.com, here you will find a lot of templates and options that you can use simplified.com in, like generate copies, as I said before, graphic design to make your social media posts, create videos, and social publishing. Okay, so we can get together to generate copies. Okay, you can visit this second option, start with a template, explore. Perfect. And here, as I said before, you will find a lot of templates to create your copies regarding social media marketing, okay, and for bloggers, for YouTube business, and so on and so forth. And of course, I have talked about this amazing platform previously in a video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. And that's for making your memes. So we can go together to this amazing template, like Anakin meme, create funny memes for reassuring scenarios, Chihuahua meme face for creating funny memes on a painful scenarios, for like this one, dog close up for funny memes on a baffling scenarios, dog squid eye meme for create funny memes on skeptical scenarios, and something like that. Okay, so here you'll find a lot of categories, a lot of different types of memes that you can use and generate in simplified.com. So for example, we can try this one, Chihuahua meme face, okay, on painful scenarios. So you can turn a painful situation into a funny meme, okay, or a funny picture. As you see, there we can describe the scenario, the painful scenario. For example, here we can get angry. So here simplified.com gives me a lot of memes, creative memes based on your painful scenario, okay, like this one, as you see. And of course you can regenerate more from here, regenerate, okay, as you see. Okay, and so by using this template you can generate some memes, some creative memes based on your situation or your idea, painful idea, and something like that. And here also on simplified.com you can generate your picture, your meme funny image. How to do that? Just to go back to your dashboard for new document, okay, and go to this one, artificial intelligence design generator. Okay, so design now, and here you will find a lot of categories and different types of memes generators. Chihuahua, DiCaprio, Drake, The Close Up, Galaxy Spring, Godzilla, Goosebumps, Pablo Escobar, Mr. Bean waiting meme, and something like that, and so on and so forth. So you can go back to Chihuahua meme face, okay, for painful scenarios to generate your meme image. So here we can insert your painful scenario and gives you a lot of memes like this one, for example, okay, and select one of them like this one, and go over this button, generate creatives, simply and quickly, as you see, an amazing picture, meme picture. Okay, the second website that you can use to generate your own meme is imageflip.com. So you can go to this one, make a meme, okay, and here you can select any picture from this library, and here you will find a lot of famous pictures that you can use for making your own memes, okay, as you see. Perfect. And of course you can generate them from simplified.com, the previous website. Okay, or you can use this amazing website which is so called hitmeal.com. You will find a lot of famous people like Einstein, So just we can remove these words and insert yours, okay, and will be applied directly and automatically to this chalkboard of Einstein, okay, like I love you, okay, people follow me for more, for example, okay, change image. As you see, I love you, people follow me for more, okay. And the last website to make your own meme is memegenerator.net. Here you'll find a lot of famous photos that you can use to make your own memes. So firstly, go to this one, generate, okay, just we can choose your image. So we can pick out one of these beautiful images like this one, for example, okay, and then we can add your top text that we have generated from simplified.com, okay, for example. So we can go back to simplified and we can copy this one, copy to clipboard, and go back to memegenerator.net and just insert here as you see. Perfect, and generate as you see, okay. And now you have known how to make money from memes and how to create your own memes, your funny memes. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.